Okay, we are up. Let me disconnect to the Discord. Alright guys, we are live. Today we are also going to do a giveaway. Welcome back after a very long time. Live trading NASDAQ and gold. Market is about to open in next 10 minutes. Perfect. Let's see one more thing on a tech. Alright. Just a second. Let me send the link to everyone in Discord, then we will start. I'm the mod. Let's go, sir. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. And let's see. Let me send the announcement. Still, can you confirm if it's still? Because just a second. Okay, so पहले NASDAQ देखते हैं. After that, let's look at the gold. Let's look at the gold first. Maybe.
Connection lost. Disconnected.
Okay. Give me a sec. What do you mean? Just wait. It's I think it's a obvious issue. I think I don't know if it. I think it's obvious. Okay, is it fine now? Hello Kamal bro, hello Karthik. Today is the day we're gonna live stream, we're gonna do a giveaway and one more important announcement for you all. So as of now you can see ये हमारा gold है. This is GEX1 which is our major put wall. You can say a major call resistance. exactly market reacted from that level. This is our IV high, which is implied volatility high. It's like a आपको ये range देता है where you can trade. And then we have other levels, secondary levels like GEX7, so we don't need it. This is not that aggressive, that important level, so we just gonna skip it. And same as GEX6, but I wanna see if GEX6 यहाँ पे hold करता है या फिर नहीं करता hold. Other than we have this max pressure on gold right there, but after like पूरे Asian और London session में market just made this balance, huge balance. Buyers actually tried to create auction above यहाँ पे, but they got failed at our IV high, and then again market went back in the balance. And then our sellers, they tried to push it downside, and then they also got failed right there at our GEX6, and now market is again trying to create some balance यहाँ पे. So that's for the gold. I want to look what NASDAQ is doing because market is about to open in next 4 minutes. So this is our NASDAQ. ये हमारा कैश सेशन है मार्केट का राइट देयर. एंड मार्केट ने जो वैल्यू क्रिएट करी थी फ्राइडे के कैश सेशन में, वो नीचे की डाउन साइड करी थी. या वो डाउन साइड करी थी यहाँ पे, बट इन अ प्री मार्केट was moving upside right there, and almost it's not that much big move. It's around like only 155 points move जो यहाँ पे हुआ है आया है मार्केट में. Just okay. So right there, today's positive gamma, so I'm expecting market to mostly rotate in the at least first 30 minutes or first 45 minutes of market open. We'll see. You can see speed of tape यहाँ पे aggressively orders आ रहे हैं market में, but we wanna see market इसको sustain करती है या फिर नहीं करती. We also have this scene 2 for the GEX radar where we will see our real time but अभी market open हुई नहीं है. We still have like around 2 minutes left. Alright, so our plan is we don't want to look for any aggressive entries today. Today is Monday, market is in positive gamma, but I still really want that market to hold at this value area high of cash session, previous cash session. Hello everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Stay stream के end तक, not stream के end तक, just like after 30 minutes or after a trade लेने के बाद we will announce the winner actually of the giveaway. We will do a live wheel spin and whoever wins wins. एंड हमने पूरा सेट कर रखा है व्हील को भी, सो एवरीथिंग इज रेडी. विल जस्ट डू इट. एंड यस, सो प्री मार्केट में आई डोंट वांट यहाँ पे नैस्डैक मार्केट ओपन पे अगर इसके नीचे आता है, सो दैट वुड बी अ साइन दैट ओके नाउ वी कैन लुक फॉर अ सेल इन नैस्डैक में. सो दिस लेवल इज अराउंड आवर on triple Q it's 732. So we don't want market to break below this level where we have this GEX 8. So this GEX 8 is not that important, but we don't want market to break below it. So I'm going to close it क्योंकि काफ़ी clutter हो जाता है chart पे, that's why. And also GEX 7 and maybe GEX 5 as well. So this is our pre-market का पूरा यहाँ पे set है हमारा, and market is at our GEX level, GEX 3, which is one of the most important football. Ball. Okay, market just opened यहाँ पे. एंड लेट्स सी के फर्स्ट 5 मिनट में मार्केट क्या बनाती है, क्या करती है हम। लेट्स जस्ट मार्क द प्री मार्केट वैल्यू एरिया हाई और लो, फिर उसके बाद वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल को जस्ट क्लोज इट, इट विल बी लेस डिस्ट्रक्टिव. All right, this is NASDAQ 3 minutes chart. In this I want to see the volume as well, and with the volume I want to look at the deep V tracker as well to see कोई hidden absorption है. Look at this aggressive selling side absorption, but what happened, market ने इसको hold करा. You can see जो हमारे यहाँ पे sellers थे वो यहाँ पे absorb हुए, and after that market break above this zone जहाँ पे हमारे पहले buyers absorb हुए थे, and वहीं से market is pushing higher. So we can expect same thing. If market breaks above this pre-market value area high, we can move slightly higher there. But one more thing, let me show you. The live chart. Am I not audible? Okay, am I audible now? I was not audible. Am I audible now? Can you confirm me? Okay, thank you. Alright, so NASDAQ अभी भी is trading inside the value area of pre-market, I would say, and this is our absorption zone जहाँ पे हमारे sellers absorb हुए थे right there, and now market is again trying to go back above this buy side absorption level. This is our value area high of pre-market, and this is our value area high of pre-market. This is value area high of cash market. Let's go to the volume bar right there. We don't wanna look for the volume profile. This is our GEX3. तो same हमारा वो है अभी. We will wait for the initial value balance at least to see कि at least market first 30 minutes में कहाँ पे value create करती है mostly. For the gold, market is still in a balance. You can see around the GEX6 right there. Now I wanna look for that how market ने जो volume profile एक हमें यहाँ पे draw करेंगे of this range, of this whole range, where market actually built the value. You will see जो मोस्ट ऑफ द वैल्यू मार्केट ने क्रिएट करी है वो इज लाइक दिस इज आवर वैल्यू एरिया हाई ऑफ इट एंड दिस इज आवर वैल्यू एरिया लो ऑफ इट. तो जो हमने एक रेंज क्रिएट करी है विच इज दिस वन. सो इफ यहाँ पे बायर्स, यहाँ पे आप फेल्ड ऑप्शन देखोगे, यहाँ पे बायर्स ने ट्राई करा था ऑप्शन को ऊपर पुश करने का बट दे गॉट फेल्ड एट आई वी हाई. एंड सेम थिंग आवर सेलर्स ट्राई टू ब्रेक below the GEX 6 and they are not very aggressive at that moment and the price is retracing back and we are coming back in the range. and the most important thing, अगर यहाँ पे हम ये जो हमारा वैल्यू एरिया लो है इस पूरी एक वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल का, अगर हम इसको नीचे ऊपर ब्रेक कर देते हैं एंड एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग एक्सेप्टेंस. अगर मार्केट यहाँ पे एक्सेप्ट करती है देन वी कैन एक्चुअली लुक फॉर अ लॉन्ग ट्रेड ऑन गोल्ड एज वी नो, बिकॉज मोस्टली जो वॉलेटिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में वी सॉ जो बाय साइड की वॉलेटिलिटी है वो ज़्यादा है इन कंपेरेटिवली टू द सेल साइड. यस, हेलो नदीम. What is IVH? IVH is implied volatility level and it's that high and that's the low of it. IV low and IV high. It's like आपको ये एक not 100% बट ये आपको एक रेंज देता है डेली की, एक डे की, एक सेशन की, एक हाई एंड एक लो. तो मार्केट उसी के बीच में मोस्टली ऑफ टर्न क्या करती है, उसी के बीच में ट्रेड करती है. तो इट्स लाइक इट्स नॉट अ रेजिस्टेंस बट यू कैन से कि अगर मार्केट IV हाई तक आई है और वहाँ से if you see a reaction of a rejection or a rejection then you can expect that market okay that's the high of it and then market वहाँ से ऊपर नहीं जा सकती until unless वहाँ पे aggressively buyers participate ना करें मार्केट में या ट्रम्प की कोई स्टेटमेंट या न्यूज़ ना आए तो. So we need a nice acceptance above this value area low in order to buy, look for a buy in gold. And in NASDAQ, market is in positive gamma today. We know it. So we gonna wait because we don't want to trade a balanced market. This is a balanced market. जब तक market इसके अंदर है, market is in the balance. That's the value area high of our pre-market value area high, a pre-market volume profile, and that's the value area high of cash market. So जब तक market इसके ऊपर है, we are not supposed to look for a sell trade. So we will look for a sell trade if market breaks below this cash session. वो क्यों होगा? Why would we look for a sell below this cash session value area high? Because we will have more than one reason to do it. The first one is of course that the cash session value area high. So अगर market उसके नीचे आती है, then we will look for a huge failed auction and a acceptance setup towards the point of control. How many pips does that app capture? What do you mean app capture? Which app? And we also have this aggressive selling absorption cluster जो हमने ब्रेक करा था बट यहाँ पे sellers absorb हो गए थे काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से. So we wanna see कि अगर market इसको नीचे accept करती है as well as हमारा just नीचे यहाँ पे again we have that value area high of cash market, then we can say okay now we can look for a sell trade in NASDAQ. Let's go to the IV and also we wanna see a nice huge delta and plus big volume. Look at this candle. The color of the candle shows the delta कि मार्केट एक कैंडल में कितना डेल्टा है, कितना एग्रेसिव डेल्टा है. एंड द थिकनेस ऑफ द कैंडल शोज द वॉल्यूम कि मार्केट जो कैंडल है हमारी एक पर्टिकुलर उसमें वॉल्यूम कितनी है. So look at this candle comparatively to all these ones. Huge candle, aggressive candle with a high delta and volume. So that's kind of a candle we want जब market is value area high को नीचे break करे, this value area high. So right now market is showing aggression towards downside. So we want a nice aggression downside and we can target if market breaks below it. We can definitely target this GEX1 first of all, I would say, and if market breaks this then we can target gamma flip, but I think the GEX1 would be our target, a safer target. How many pips did you capture? Depends on the market, but 100 pips, 200 pips, sometimes 300 pips live on Discord as well. Look at this. Our buyers are trying to get some reaction from this. Go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. All right. Again, यहाँ पे वो है कि absorption cluster ज़्यादा आ जाते हैं, but we don't need that anymore, right? Let's close it. Okay, we have some aggressive selling orders at 238 big order, and again 133 big order. So we don't want to see जो हमारे buyers है वो इनको absorb करे. So this should act as a short-term resistance in the market. So you want market to respect this zone if sellers are in control. But अगर buyers इसको break कर देते हैं and they successfully GEX3 के ऊपर भी aggressive buying candle के साथ with a nice delta and volume close करते हैं, then there's our cue to take maybe a short buy scalp or buy position in NASDAQ. Because right now you can see that was our value area high of cash session, previous cash session. See how market reacting from that level. So our buyers are trying to push the market, push the auction above from that exact value area high of cash session. See this one. वैसे काफी it's very thick. Let's make it up. Yeah, this one. So very nice aggression by the buyers, I would say. And I'm gonna try one minute. Let's go to a Tradify. Let's see if we get some nice trade on Monday. Look at it. Huge aggression by the sellers. So if this candle turns gray with a nice body, like a nice volume, then these sellers will get absorbed. So right now जो हमारे 133 contracts aggressively और 238 contracts थे market में आए थे sellers के, they all got absorbed by this candle. यहाँ पे aggressively market में buyers ने, look at the delta, यहाँ पे पूरा हमारी white candles है, which shows the जो हमारा delta है market में वो neutral था यहाँ पर. But this candle is comparatively gray, darker than the previous ones. So our buyers were more aggressive. They put more effort at this moment. And look at this. Buyers are trying to absorb this 94 contracts of the sellers. Hello Dilpreet bro. I might take a, let's see if I not the confirmation abhi kuch. I'll take it on spot as well. Okay, so what we want a nice break above the GEX3 with some kind of this candle, like a thick candle with a nice volume and delta. Then we look for a buy. Look at this. जब market ने इसको break करा, now this level is acting as a support for the short-term support for the buyers. Because यहाँ पे पहले sellers के orders थे. जब buyers ने इसको break करा ऊपर, तो ये जो selling के orders थे, ये हमारे लिए as a support बन जाएगा for the buyers. Because now buyers don't want sellers to go below it. So that's why we just have to wait for an entry abhi. We don't want to rush to take an entry. Let's see gold में if कुछ हुआ है तो gold is still right there. Don't see anything from our GEX 8. Market perfectly rejected, and now it's in a balance between the 7 and 8 GEX levels. So as of now, nothing. And yeah, let's see GEX abhi GEX. Look at the GEX3. GEX3 is holding. There is no break of buyers above. So sellers are still present and they are holding the market यहाँ पर. Look at this. But for the sells, as I said, we want a nice break below this value area high of cash session. Before that, we don't wanna buy or sell. So buy above this acceptance and sell below this acceptance. We have some higher volume node as well. ये आपको अगर higher volume node है and you are seeing aggressive orders downside, then you can say that यहाँ पे हमारा absorption हुआ है, selling absorption यहाँ पे. Sellers got absorbed यहाँ पे. this red bar is like a higher volume node. We want a nice break of the GEX 3. If I get an acceptance above, I will take a trade in NASDAQ. And don't forget guys, after this, after 30 or 45 minutes of live trading, we will do the giveaway. जो हमारा giveaway था, we will spin the wheel live, and maybe we decided not only one person, of course हमने 2 लोगों के लिए रखा था, but maybe वो giveaway 2 लोगों को ना हो के maybe 3 लोगों का भी हो सकता है, 4 लोगों का भी और 5 लोगों का, so we never know. So yes, be ready for the GEX radar giveaway. And just after GEX radar, around after 15 days maybe, we are going to do a 25k Lucid.85 funded account prop firm giveaway. उसके लिए आपको कुछ भी ऐसा व्हील स्पिन नहीं होगा, उसमें इट्स जस्ट फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व. जो भी ऑनलाइन होगा विल डू समथिंग सम गेम टाइप. सो हु विल विन, जो भी जीतेगा he or she will get the funded account. How to enter bro? Sahil bro, if you are on a Discord channel, then हमने Discord पे giveaway के सेक्शन में गूगल फॉर्म डाला था, तो अगर आपने वो फिल करा होगा, अगर आपने वो फिल नहीं करा है तो जस्ट राइट डाउन योर इंस्टाग्राम आईडी नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में, मैं आपका नाम ऐड कर दूंगा उसमें व्हील स्पिन में. वी ऑलरेडी हैव लाइक अराउंड 83 और 84 मेंबर्स उसमें व्हील स्पिन में, बट या जितने लोगों ज़्यादा होंगे तो उतना इट विल बी फन. तो जस्ट पुट योर, जो भी अभी जिसने भी गूगल फॉर्म फिल नहीं करा था, जो भी नहीं था, you can put your Instagram ID and your name, full name in the comment section or in Discord. I'll add your name abhi. Caterers, please write your name, and like ऐसे पता नहीं लगेगा कि who is who. And उसके बाद even the giveaway के बाद भी we have a huge major announcement to announce. Very huge. लाइक ऐसा किसी भी अभी इंडस्ट्री में किसी ने भी नहीं करा होगा. लाइक कितना भी बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, किसी ने नहीं करा होगा वो चीज़, व्हाट वी अबाउट टू डू. तो वो अनाउंसमेंट भी विल डू. ओके, वैल्यू एरिया हाई ऑफ कैश सेशन. अगेन सी दिस, जैसे ही मार्केट हमारे वैल्यू एरिया हाई पर आ रही है कैश सेशन के, प्रीवियस फ्राइडे के कैश सेशन पे हमारे जो सेलर्स हैं दे आर गेटिंग एब्जॉर्ब्ड. यहाँ पे आवर पैसिव बायर्स आर एब्जॉर्बिंग आवर सेलर्स. यहाँ पे लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस. Again 133, 238 and then again 101, big order. Okay, and it's getting absorbed here. K trades and Sahil bro, you can put your name in the comment section. Got the Discord ID. All right, let me just add your name, Karthik. Done bro, your name is now has been added in the wheel spin. तो जब भी हम स्पिन करेंगे व्हील आपका नाम आ चुका है इसमें. जस्ट मेक श्योर you will be live on stream, so ज़्यादा मेहनत ना करनी पड़े ढूंढने के लिए आपको. दिलप्रीत भाई, हमने एक पीडीएफ बना रखी है. हमने पूरी एक वीडियो, एक लाइव सेशन करा था पूरा. आप पबगेट से मांग सकते हो ऑन चैट. फ्लटर नाम से होगा, फ्लटर -14G. तो वो आपको एक बेसिक्स आपको पता लग जाएंगे उससे कि व्हाट आर गेक्स, व्हाई इज गेक्स, वो सारी चीज़ें आपको पता लग जाएगी. एंड लुक एट दिस कैंडल. नाउ इट्स दिस कैंडल इज making a nice delta. Look at this, look at the color of this candle. Let me add a volume chart for a clearer view. Okay, okay. So as of now, our volume is decreasing जब market open हुई है तब से, but it's still fine, right? I'll pin the Discord link as well in the comment section. If someone wants to join our next giveaway, or also we send free GEX levels in our Discord community. So if you want, you can get them for free. This dancing dancing candle is the speed of tape. तो जो ये ऑर्डर्स जो ये ऑर्डर्स यहाँ पे फिल हो रहे हैं बायर्स एंड सेलर्स के, तो वो कितनी तेजी से हो रहे हैं, दिस shows that speed of it. You know what tape is? Let me show you the normal thing. This one, the footprint chart, delta, volume, bid and ask. So how quickly these orders are getting filled, the aggression of it. And look at this, nice absorption, nice acceptance. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test one buy right there in spot maybe. And 170. Perfect. And our GEX 2, we have GEX 2 and point of control around right there. So we can expect market to come around that level. And let me see what actually our triple Q is doing on real time, because that's also important to see. All right, so we have at 735, which is around this one, we have a huge positive gamma exposure at 735. So now for the buyers, what we don't want, if buyers are aggressive and they want to hold the market, we don't want to see a closure below this candle. Perfect. We want जो ये buyers ने aggressively GEX 3 के ऊपर market को push करा है, तो अगर ये इसको sustain करते हैं, then our buyers are safe. But if they fail to do it, then this again will become our as a failed auction market का. Space provides. Okay, let me add your name as well in the wheel spin. All right, who's next? We almost have around like 90 entries now. Did you add my Sahil? Yes, Sahil भाई, मैंने आपका कर दिया. मैंने आपका साहिल लिखा है, साहिल L EL. नहीं, हाँ मैंने लो कोड, ये ना लो कोड इज ऑलरेडी वाला कर दिया. डन. लेट्स वेट एंड सी. सेम विद गोल्ड. आई थिंक गोल्ड में तो कुछ और. राइट, गोल्ड मूव फाइनली. डैम एग्रेसिव. वी हैव GEX 3 above as. Okay, मेरा सुबह से we were looking for a buy in gold, but the only thing is, just a second, Tariq bhai, I'll just give you the overview of the GEX radar. So the only thing is, मैं सुबह से गोल्ड में बाय देख रहा था, market was just in a balance, and finally I see this move, but still I don't want to buy the market abhi, because we have a IV high right there, and as well as GEX 1, which is our major wall as a call resistance. You can see how market reacted from these two levels. So for the buys, the A plus buys would be, if market breaks out this GEX 1, we can easily target the GEX 3 above it. So around 400, 200 or 300 pips, we can do it. बट आई डोंट थिंक सो दिस इज अ सेफ ऑप्शन। और इफ मार्केट नीचे आती है, इसको होल्ड करती है 50 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स जो यहाँ पे एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल जो यहाँ पे आए हैं, उसको अगर हम होल्ड करते हैं देन वी कैन अगेन लुक फॉर अ नेक्स्ट स्कैल्प और बाय, विच इज लाइक अराउंड यहाँ पे बायर्स के भी 51 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हैं। सो आई वांट टू सी दे होल्ड एज वेल और नॉट। फॉर द नेस्डेक सेम थिंग जो मैंने बताई है, वी डोंट वांट टू सी के मार्केट इस कैंडल को नीचे ब्रेक करे अगर हमारे बायर्स एग्रेसिव है, एंड आवर टारगेट इज अराउंड दिस गेक्स 2। सो फॉर द बायर्स, अगर हमारी जो प्राइस है वो इस कैंडल को नीचे ब्रेक कर देता है, then you will see market will be in the balance from this level to this level and can even reach towards this level again. So that we don't want. So for that we don't want market कि aggressive जो है हमारी कैंडल थी इसको मार्केट नीचे ब्रेक करे। That's all. That's just we want for the next step. GEX radar. Let's move to the what's happening. Okay, our this contract is holding. Okay, let's look to the GEX. This is your GEX radar. Can you hear me? Can anyone confirm? Can you hear me? Okay. All right. Gold is finally flying like Subhas I was waiting for him. Finally flying. Same thing. If we break off the GEX one, we are flying to the moon. All right. आपको आई एक्सपेक्ट आपको मेरी GEX की स्क्रीन दिख रही होगी. So let's move on to that. We find now. Should be fine. Okay, look at this. Gold is reacting. Alright, this is our GEX डेटा का जो हमारा डैशबोर्ड है. यहाँ पे मैंने सेट कर रखा है टेम्पलेट यहाँ पे SPX का, विच इज़ आवर ES, TLD जो हमारे गोल्ड का आता है, एंड दिस इज ट्रिपल क्यू विच इज़ ETF ऑफ नेस्डैक. तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम ट्रिपल क्यू का देखें, ये हमारी डीलर्स की पोजीशन, यहाँ पे एक्सपोजर है कितना, गैमा एक्सपोजर एट सर्टेन स्पॉट प्राइस एट 720, 736, 725, 734, 730, 734, 730, दिस वन. ये हमारे, दिस इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. ये हमारी चीज़ें, ये हमें कॉल वॉल एंड पुट वॉल, ये हमें चीज़, एंड काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो इसमें आपको दिखती है. ये हमारा नेट फ्लो है. नेट फ्लो इज इन प्लस 3.98 समथिंग, विच मीन्स मार्केट इज इन अ पॉजिटिव गैमा. जब मार्केट पॉजिटिव गैमा में होती है तो इन अ नॉर्मल, इन अ सिंपल टर्म, मार्केट जस्ट ह्यूज ट्रेंड नहीं देती. मार्केट इट जस्ट कॉपी होती है, मार्केट रोटेशनल होती है मार्केट, और मोस्टली मीन रिवर्स करती है. एंड यहाँ पे आपको जो ऑप्शन फ्लो का जो वो है प्रेशर, हेजिंग प्रेशर, वो आपको यहाँ पे पता लगता है. इट्स अ न्यूट्रल, so it's not aggressive, high or low market. And that we have major levels आते हैं like this. फुटबॉल हमारा 725 पर है, around 725 we have फुटबॉल. this one is जितना बड़ा हमारा यहाँ पे नोड होता है उतना वो एग्रेसिव होता है, उतना ज़्यादा के चांसेस होते हैं that market will react from that level. For example, the gold, look at the gold one, and look at this. हमारा जो like see three triangles mean call wall, three triangle, huge call resistance at around this level. Call wall, two triangle, aggressive orders, but All right. Two triangles means less than that, but it's still important. So first, second, and third, these three are most important. And you can see जो हमारा aggressive, yeah, this one, the call one 405 पे जो हमारा यहाँ पे था. Look at this, how aggressively market ने यहाँ पे reaction दी. And यहाँ पे टॉप पे आपको absorption भी दिख रहा है, राइट. तो यू ऑलरेडी नो अगर मार्केट यहाँ पर नीचे से ऊपर जा रही है तो, और हमारा यहाँ पे एक्सपोजर है काफ़ी बड़ा, सो वी ऑलरेडी नो कि ओके दैट्स द लेवल, यहाँ पे आके मार्केट रिजेक्शन या रिएक्शन हमें दे सकती है. So I would already plan my exit or my sell position from that level before market वहाँ पे आए उससे पहले. एंड ऑल्सो यहाँ पे लाइक आपको हीट मैप मिल जाता है ऑप्शन का, लाइक डिफरेंट थिंग्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा. मैक्रोज, अगर आप मैक्रोज में जाना चाहते हो, यहाँ पे आपको विक्स की वो मिल जाती है कि ओडीटी में कितना है, कमिंग डेज में कितना है. तो आप यहाँ पे वॉलिटिलिटी देख सकते हो कि विक्स का कितना ऊपर जा सकता है, कितना नीचे है. वो सेम थिंग विद आपके दो मैक्रोज रिस्क उसमें होता है, यूज रिलेटेड डेटा. एंड इफ़ यू वांना डू सम फ्लो एनालिसिस देन आपका नेट ड्रिफ्ट आ जाता है इसमें. आईवी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आईवी आपको बताता है कि मार्केट कहाँ पर कितना वॉलेटाइल हो सकता है, किस दिन कितना वॉलेटाइल हो सकता है. जस्ट लाइक दिस ओडीटी यू कैन सी एट दिस सर्टेन प्राइस, जो हमारा क्यूब है, जीएलडी है, गोल्ड वो कर रखा है. गोल्ड की सबसे ज़्यादा वॉलेटिलिटी होगी इस लेवल पे. अगर मार्केट इस लेवल को ब्रेक करती है विच इज एडजस्टेड आई थिंक, वहाँ पे एग्रेसिवली और ज़्यादा उसको वॉलेटाइल हो सकती है मार्केट, और ज़्यादा फ्रीली ऊपर जा सकती है. तो लाइक कॉल रोकने वाला नहीं. एंड वी हैव वॉलेटिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एज वेल. इट चेंजेस. यू कैन ज्वाइन द गेक्स रेडा डिस्कॉर्ड बाय द वे, उसमें उनका पूरा ट्यूटोरियल है. फ्यू लाइक काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं वैसे इसमें समझने के लिए. लुक एट दिस वाज द कॉल बॉल, हाउ परफेक्टली जो गोल्ड है हमारा, अगर आप नॉर्मल चार्ट पे भी देखोगे, हाउ परफेक्टली मार्केट रिजेक्टेड फ्रॉम दैट, हाउ परफेक्टली in gold market reject. Look at the get NASDAQ as well. We have all the positive gamma exposures. The biggest one is right there and the right there. The market is in the middle. So what market would do, जो मार्केट अभी कर रही है, मार्केट जस्ट मोस्टली क्या कर रही है, जस्ट बैलेंस में ऊपर नीचे बैलेंस में ट्रेड कर रही है. दैट्स व्हाट, राइट. Let's move to the trading chart. All right, so NASDAQ failed to go above. Our initial value balance is just over. So what we gonna do, let's go to the 1 minute time frame and mark the IVP of first 30 minutes of market open. So market open right there, and our IVP would be like this. So market is in this balance. So we want market to break above or below this. That's our value area low of IVB. You can see some kind of rejection from the IVB value area low. For the buys, we want to look for this break above this. And if we add the initial value balance, for instance, in the volume bar chart from the 7 p.m. to the 7:30, right there. So same thing, that's our value area high. So we want market to break above this value area high in order to buy, or break above, like this is the main one जिसके नीचे हम sell का देखेंगे. But this is kind of a balanced area from our value area high to the value area low. So inside this we want to look for a trade. And one more thing I wanna add in this is As you say, like negative, positive GEX levels, like limit orders or any different, they are very different. Limit orders वो तो आपके like market makers की liquidity होती है. The positive gamma exposures, they are like your how much option levels होते हैं वो option market के. So futures and option like they are kind of different. Okay. So this is our IVP high and this is our IVP low. So as of now, market is in the middle and we don't want to trade the balanced market. तो जब तक मार्केट ये जो हमारा वैल्यू एरिया हाई है इनिशियल वैल्यू बैलेंस का इसको ब्रेक नहीं कर देती दिस वन, या फिर जो हमारा कैश सेशन का वैल्यू एरिया हाई है मार्केट इसको ब्रेक नहीं कर देती, वी डोंट वांट टू टेक एनी ट्रेड. ऑलराइट, फ्लटर विल टेल यू, आप फ्लटर से अबाउट द मैक्रोज क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो. लुक एट दिस, हाउ परफेक्टली मार्केट रिजेक्टेड फ्रॉम द गेक्स 1 एंड ये सेम लेवल है जो हमने गेक्स 3 पे देखा था. आई यूज पर्सनली द गेक्स लेवल जो भी हमारे गेक्स रेडार पे होते हैं, मैं जस्ट इंपोर्ट कर लेता हूँ उनको डीप चार्ट्स पे. तो लुक एट दिस 405 विच इज एट फ्यूचर्स इट वाज अराउंड 4472, तो ये पहले से ही यहाँ पे ऊपर था. सो आई नो दैट्स वाई मैंने यहाँ पे बाय नहीं करा, यहाँ पे बाय नहीं करा, बिकॉज आई नो कि मार्केट गेट्स वन पे जाके देयर विल बी सम काइंड ऑफ अ रिएक्शन. ओके, for this aggressive high displacement, what we can do actually, okay, in this position, because for to look for a buy, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे अगर buy देखना है after this huge displacement, we just have to put the volume profile right there. Alright, so if we put the volume profile, we will get where market is पूरी displacement में market ने सबसे ज़्यादा value कहाँ पे create करी है. Let me hide all the annotations. You will see our value area high is right there. Right, we have a small higher volume node right there in this around this area, but most of it we have below. So we should have ऊपर होना चाहिए था, but it's below. So our buyers should hold this higher side of it. If not, the price will dump again to the value area high of it. So they should hold this GEX 4 as their support. This one. So buyer should hold this as a support. Let's see if market does that or not. For the NASDAQ, look at this. Perfect, another perfect absorption of the sellers at very top, at very bottom actually. But still, you know, market is in a balance. Trying to go up. Don't forget that level is slight small IVP middle line, this one. You can see some kind of a reaction from that too. And guys, if you're planning to get the deep charts, if you're planning to buy the deep charts, one nice thing, you can use our code FXC and get a maximum percentage of discount, and you'll get the lifetime access in our premium Discord community for absolutely free, with access of mentorship as well, in which you will learn about the option flow, order flow, AMT from the basic to advanced. That's all for free. You just have to, if you are planning to buy the dip charts, you just have to use our code. All right, so market is in a balance. Market is respecting our levels from the IV low to the IV high. Right there. Gold, look at this. Buyers are trying, but I don't think so. They will able to hold because there was an aggression by the buyers, but no sustain. Buyers यहाँ पे sustain नहीं कर पाए because of this GEX one. Huge pressure. All right. For the NASDAQ, similar. We want an acceptance above. It's just Monday. We can expect this kind of reaction from the market. All right, buyers are trying. We'll look at the gold. Perfectly, buyers are trying to hold that level. They're still trying. But this is not enough. This is not the enough. It's not enough effort for them. We want a break above this GEX fund. If market breaks off the GEX fund, you will see a nice buy side squeeze at least to the 100 or 150 pips. So we want that. Right now we can see buyers are holding. All right, they have to hold this because we have a nice aggressive delta. We have a GEX 4, which we previously huge aggressive effort ने buyers के जो effort था उसने break करा था. We also have this value area high of that current session. I would say maybe, yep, current session value area high. Let's close this one, and our value area high is right there of this range. So we don't want the market यहाँ पर है if we are going to accept. Yes, exactly. Momentum is not right there as of now. Exactly. That can also happen. अगर aggressively दोबारा market यहाँ पे GEX 1 को hold नहीं कर पाती और दोबारा नीचे auction failed होता है buyers का, then we can actually dump downside to that value area high around this level. But I want to see a buy side. I want to see a nice buy side today. If we break out the GEX one, I want to see an acceptance. If buyers will be aggressive even after breaking that GEX one, we can look for a buy. In NASDAQ, nothing as of now. In a balance. nicely holding that GEX level, and they are trying. It's not very nice one, by the way, very nice volume. You can see there was huge absorption, not a huge absorption, but failed sellers right there, and they are trying. See the squeeze of a buyers now. Now if we break out this and our buyers aggressively move upside, then we can look for the squeeze. See, the volume of this candle is also nice. That's not the nice aggressive volume, but the volume and delta is nice, is in the buy side. Just look at this one. Nice delta and volume, nice delta and volume, nice delta and volume. But the selling candles, the bearish candles, are not that aggressive. They are thin, they are less dark, which means in selling side we don't have that aggression which we have on buy side. So that's why I expect market to go upside. Look at the delta, aggressive selling delta, but still candle is trying to move upside. Let me show you the delta. Aggressive, look at this, 103 contract from upside, 103 contracts from the sellers, and if they got absorbed, we can see a nice squeeze above from the buyers. Look at this, eyes on it. So we want to see 102 contracts and they're getting absorbed. Look at the speed of tape, aggressive. Look at the speed of tape. And now these orders will get absorbed अगर ये candle ऊपर ही close होती है तो. This is important. We want a closure. Look at this. Aggressive selling orders. Look at the volume plus delta. Huge delta, huge order, but candle is moving upside. Even though our delta is negative, our candle is moving upside, which means our sellers are getting absorbed. So when our sellers are getting absorbed, then who will win the battle? The buyers will win the battle. That's what we want to see if market holds upside. So I want to look at the 276 again, sellers, huge sellers. And why they are doing this? Because we are well above the IV high. Because market is trading above the IV high. And even above, around the GEX one, not the above, but around the GEX one, right? Look at this. What do you say? Look at this aggression. So now the simple thing, very simple thing, we want to dissect what is happening in the market and to dissect what's happening in the market. Look at this. This is a huge 65 contracts and we have a huge selling delta, and this price, the candle is moving upside. So we don't want to look if the market, the price to move downside from this GEX one or this from the GEX one to this huge selling order absorption. So we want to see to the price should hold around this area, around this zone, and if yes, then you will see our buyers will win this battle. Still look at this, our sellers are still present, they are trying. This is a bullish candle, but this closed as red, which means the delta is negative. Look at the huge order upside, aggression. Look at the aggression of the sellers as well. Look at this one, huge aggression. The same thing, if we break below this GEX one with aggressiveness, you can actually look for a sell inside the value area. And if not, then you know that market can easily move towards 150 or even the 200 pips above. All right, NASDAQ from the GEX 3 again went down. And in this also the important thing जो हमने बोला था, we want closure below the value area high of cash session. Again guys, if you're new, if you're just joining, we're about to do a giveaway on this live stream. So if you haven't joined yet, you can drop your real name and Instagram ID. I will add your name. All right, comment you, I guess that's your name. So all right, I'm gonna add you in the wheel spin. Boss, let's go. You've been added. All right. If anyone else who just joined and want to participate in a giveaway of 3 weeks of GEX radar, and also you have to join the Discord community as well, of course. I'm gonna pin it. In my comment section. For more giveaways and live trading and free GEX levels, yes, you can get free GEX levels in our Discord. Right. Right. Look at this. Still selling delta, but price is moving upside. So our sellers are getting absorbed slowly. And when sellers will get exhausted, we will see a squeeze upside. Look at this now, this buying aggression. All right, so this is a nice volume candle. So now personally, I don't want to see a break or a closure below this one. We don't just take it here. It's like a small short-term support for the buyers. Aggressive volume, aggressive huge delta of the sellers, and they got absorbed. And look at this. Look at the squeeze. जैसे ही aggressive buying आए यहाँ पे 91 contracts, the candle color which was red is now flipped to the white, and slowly it will turn into the gray color. Look at this. Sellers are still trying. Look at the color of the candle. Look at 176 contract at the top. The selling contracts at the very top. So now buyers have to push through it again. Now they have to absorb all of it again. So that's why we didn't buy the market. Because buyers, they are putting so much effort for low reward kind of thing, and market is trading at exact like around third band of the VWAP, so not safe to trade for us. One more thing, maybe my 2.5 is on. Yeah, I want to do 3.0 in this price action. All right, so market is in very huge premium zone right there. So we know we don't trade, or we don't buy when market is in above the second band or around the third band of the VWAP. But look at this, and look at this. These orders, these huge selling orders, our buyers are trying to absorb that too, right? Look at this whole area. It's around 100 pips, which we said if market breaks off this GEX 1, you can easily expect at least 100 or 150 pips. Again, absorption of the buyers, of the sellers in NASDAQ. So we can expect some what? Not the very A+ setup. I'm just trying. Let's see if we get one. Quick scan. All right, for the gold is the main today, because NASDAQ is just in a positive gap exposure, in a balance. And look at the GEX. Look at the GEX. We are at the triple Q, the NASDAQ, and look at this. There was an absorption. Price went up again at the call wall. It got rejected. Now precisely the levels work the market option X level. Now again market went down at that price where we got. We want to see its break, make up this level, reach out this level. Break out this level, you can expect market to move upside. There was a nice option. If we get it or not, and if we talk about the gold, what's happening? Look at this. Gold broke above this major call wall, which was our GEX1, from where we saw that absorption. Price ने break करा उसको. Now price is coming down. Now the chances of the price to retest this call wall will increase. And now we want to see that call wall है ये market कैसे hold करेगा. We want to see that. Look at the gold. The scene. Look at the gold. Let me close this trading floor. Trading huge volume selling delta, and now market is again testing our GEX1. And it actually makes sense. Why? Because we were at extreme premium. So we had to evaluate a bit downside. Right. Can we say that sellers are closing their position to cover the losses? That's why we see a squeeze. Can we say this? Maybe, definitely हो सकता है. It's just जो हमारे डीलर्स होते हैं वो हेज करते हैं मार्केट को. सो वो अपना रिस्क को कवर करते हैं फ्यूचर्स में हेज करके. Look at the NASDAQ, by the way, we हमने ट्रेड ले रखी थी. Yes, going above, like it's a fine trade, like it's not that, because market is in a balance, so I don't expect कि market huge move दे. So just a quick scalp if we get some profit जितना आता है. Cover the risk, whatever. In a balance market, we can't expect huge moves. Small scalps only. And we can expect market to go to the GEX3, by the way. See this huge absorption, huge selling absorption again. कहाँ पर हुआ है absorption? Same level. Our cash session volume profile, the value area high of cash session. That's why these areas are so important. And why big trades are important? They will literally show you who is getting absorbed and where and what is happening in the market. Look at this. Sell 220 contracts by the sellers got absorbed. 210 contracts of the sellers got absorbed. And then after that, nice delta buying candle right there. There is no buying absorption, buying aggression as of now. That's why we can see there's not a squeeze above. Let's look at the gold. All right. So the level we marked, this level is kind of still holding, because we know if we हमने GEX1 को ऊपर ब्रेक करा है तो जब मार्केट दोबारा नीचे आएगी it will hold that level. And NQ का you know around this GEX3 price might come again. Alright guys, it's been 1 hour. I think it's time to do something crazy, right? Because market is not in negative gamma, so no aggressive moves as of now. So everyone who is not in a live, come to the live, because in next 10 minutes we're gonna do a wheel spin live giveaway. And trust me, it's not for only 2 people. Maybe we'll do for the 3 or 4 or 5. We never know. 2 is minimum. 2 people will win today. That's minimum. See how gold is perfectly riding it. Nice absorption pura niche. Respect to our level, to our GEX1, and now it's trying to move above. It's in a very premium, of course, but as I said, buyers are they're trying. NASDAQ perfectly holding. Market is the balance, so we can't expect huge moves abhi aaj. One more thing, let me tell you, just a second. Alright guys, I think it's time. But usse pehle, there is one more thing which I wanted to announce actually. So I think we should do that first before the giveaway. Alright. I was working for it. I was working on it for last 1 month. And I think it's finally time to announce it. Alright. So can anyone here par, how do you take part? How do you just drop down your name in comment section and your Instagram ID, so it will be easy to find you. And you have to join our Discord community, and from there, like, it will just increase your chances if you just follow us and GEX Radar on Instagram as well. All right, but yeah, so I want to ask one thing from you all. First of all, how many of you trade in order flow platform? किस किस के पास order flow platform है अभी? कौन सा order flow platform है शाहिल भाई? Which order flow platform? Motive Wave, okay. Anyone else जो order flow trade करता हो या order flow का platform हो? You don't have. I am by deep trust subscription by your left. Let's go Tariq bhai. Alright, so how will it feel अगर कुछ लोगों को वो order flow का platform perhaps deep charts और ATAS free में मिले for 1 year with data feed, with futures data feed? How will it sound, first of all? Exactly, no way, of course. फ्री में कैसे मिल सकता है? All right, market is in a perfect design right now, because मुझे ऐसी ही मार्केट चाहिए थी आज फॉर द अनाउंसमेंट एंड फॉर द गिव अवे, जिसमें हम कम ट्रेड कर सके और ज़्यादा बातें और क्योंकि अभी पॉजिटिव क्या है, कल मार्केट काफ़ी एग्रेसिव होगी. कल ज्वाइन करना लाइव स्ट्रीम, विल ट्रेड टुगेदर एंड यू कैन ज्वाइन अगेन. सेम थिंग, जो आपको गैक्स लेवल्स दिख रहे हैं, इफ़ अगर आप जीतते भी नहीं हो आज गिव अवे, यू कैन गेट द लेवल्स ओनली, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट द प्लेटफॉर्म. उसमें तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आपको दिखती हैं, उसमें मैक्रोज एंड ऑल समथिंग एवरीथिंग. बट इफ़ यू गेट ओनली दीज लेवल्स जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हैं, यू कैन गेट इट फॉर फ्री इन आवर डिस्कॉर्ड कम्युनिटी. जस्ट वी मेड अ बॉट फॉर फ्री फॉर एवरीवन, not for the premium members, not for the $30 per month. It's for the everyone. But all right, it's time, I guess, to announce that thing. Everyone, let me just ping everyone on Discord first. Gold is about to touch GEX 1. Yes, it is. And most probably, what I think, it will range around it. It will range around that GEX 1. Because market is in premium. So अभी मार्केट को क्या चाहिए? मार्केट का जो ये बैंड है, जो ये वी वैप है, इट नीड्स टू बी वाइडन. अगर ये ऐसी नैरो रहेगा तो मार्केट अगेन थर्ड बैंड से स्लो डाउन होती रहेगी. सो अभी मूव जो है वी आर इन पॉजिटिव यहाँ, तो भी मार्केट थोड़ा डैम्प करेगी, मूव को स्लो करेगी, रेंज करेगी, एंड देन अगेन इट विल रीलोड द मूव. We are seeing aggression, absorption of the buyer of the sellers below at exact ये level जो हमने mark करा था before the market open, the value area high of previous cash session. So market is still, look at the how precisely our sellers are getting absorbed at exact this level, because it works, right? All right, come and you just use TV. Okay, how many of you using order flow? How many using doing order flow or want to learn order flow? Actually, that's the best question. How many of you want to learn order flow? Well, Adit, GEX levels are not free, but we are giving you for free. They cost around like $130 per month. But if you are if you are in our Discord community, then you can get it for free, and they are the latest possible real-time data you can get. All right, let me change my screen. I think it's time to do some giveaway. So we are set mostly because right now market is in balance. Let's do something. Which channel? There you will find the GEX bot, FXC GEX bot. You just have to verify. The verification is very simple. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel and you are verified. And you can use, either you can pull out the XML file if you're using any order flow platform which supports XML or CSV file like task that, or you can pull out just slash GEX and it will show you whole positive, negative, everything. How to add name? I've already added your name, I think. जस्ट मेक श्योर अगर किसी का भी नाम है नहीं जिसने फॉर्म फिल नहीं करा था गूगल और इन आवर डिस्कॉर्ड कम्युनिटी, यू आर न्यू ऑन, देन यू कैन आस्क माय नेम, सॉरी ही आस्क ड्रॉप योर नेम ताहा एडिट ब्रो. अगर आपने गूगल फॉर्म फिल नहीं करा था डिस्कॉर्ड पे, देन यू कैन, बस दो दो बार मत करना ये सोच के कि प्रोबेबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होता. Yes, also give your Discord ID so we can confirm if you are only. And then okay, bro. So are Dilpreet's had provided results. Taha, okay, I'll just do the Taha edit. 93 participants. Are we ready? Are we fucking ready, bro? We fucking go. And again, जरूरी नहीं कि दो ही हो, क्या पता 3 4 5 whatever. Okay, let's break the suspense. Yeah, but before that, before the giveaway, the major announcement, I have to do that first. I have to do that first. Okay, so I got the answers of कितने लोग order flow करना चाहते हैं. Many people learn order flow. Okay, let's do the first one, then we will talk about the major announcement. Let's do the first wheel, and after that we will talk about the announcement, Then we will spin the next and next and next. All right. So 1 2 3 करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्यों मोबाइल एक्चुअली लाइक ऐसे वो नहीं बनते. If we are adding the same name without any other different. All right, so around 93 entries we have right there. Or maybe let's make it more interesting, I would say. Let's copy all of your names. Copy it. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna race, bro. We're gonna race. Yes. Let's go to the list and paste. We have all our names done. 93 names. Let's set the timer. जिसकी भी डक जीतेगी, जिसके भी नाम की डक जीतेगी, he or she will win the GEX radar. And this एक ही स्पिन नहीं होगा, एक ही रेस नहीं होगी. आई वुड से 2 3 4 कितनी भी हो सकती है. दैट डिपेंड्स बाय द वे, बट या. तो बी रेडी सब अपनी अपनी डक को चेयर्स करने के लिए. 3 minutes. All right. Pradesh said we should do 3 minutes. Let's do 3 minutes. Right, 3 minutes रेस. सबको चांस मिलेगा, सबकी डक को चांस. स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's fucking go. Should we start the race, guys? Should we start the race? Too long. I think too long. Let's do 2 minutes. Let's do 2 minutes. 2 minutes is fine. थोड़ा suspense होना चाहिए. It will be. Let's go. Let's go. We are ready. Let's go. It's time to start the race. Please, Aman, bro. Aman is going fast. And Aman is falling behind now. Your duck is fake. We still have 1 minute. क्या पता किसी की डक पीछे से आके फास्ट. Seconds left. Interesting. Wait. Adit, damn Adit, bro. Adit, damn upper Adit. All right, I'm the root. Yasir. Yasir, damn Adit, bro, you are about to. Damn, fuck it, bro. First winner. Manish is the winner. Who was the second? Gaurav Verma, Rishi, Aman, Raghav. All right, we got our first winner, Manish. But we will have another race, maybe one more race actually. Two races more. Depends. बढ़ाते रहेंगे हम कितना गिव. But Manish, all right, Manish को let me see his Instagram ID or Discord username. Let me note it down. Okay, Manish. All right, fine. So remove winner from next race. Yes. But अभी रेस नहीं करेंगे. And edit list. Move the Manish. All right, 92 members now. Adit, bro, really, I thought that too, right? Last 6 seconds. Last 6 seconds. Very interesting. Happening market में. Gold is at GEX 1. NASDAQ is trying to go above the GEX. Bro, Chandra Prakash, bro, this is not just one race. We will have two more. We will have two more. So हमने दो पहले बोला था, तो हम दो और बढ़ा रहे हैं. So we will have two more. Don't lose the hope. All right, from the absorption to the from the below, right, at the GEX 3, and from the GEX 3 you can see now our buyers are getting absorbed. Exactly, I think yes. The only thing is like I think काफी लोग वो नहीं है active अभी from the 93 members. But we will announce it in the Discord channel with their Instagram username. I came at second. I need my GEX radar to. सेकंड वाले को कुछ नहीं मिलता भाई. Okay, it's interesting, come bro. So you are saying जो विनर चैट में लाइव नहीं है अभी वो उसका गिव अवे भी नहीं होना चाहिए. You're saying it right. Well, doesn't matter because that's what we gonna do. That's what my motive was. और वही मैंने बात गैक्स रडार वालों से करी थी कि हम जब तक गिव अवे करेंगे जब तक हमें दो विनर नहीं मिल जाते जो एक्चुअली में लाइव हो. इट डजेंट मैटर कि if we are live with 100 members, 20, 30, 60, 10 or 2, that's why I said we gonna spin the wheel twice again. दोबारा दो बार हम स्पिन करेंगे wheel को. यस मुझे डिस्कॉर्ड वो मिल चुका है. इंस्टाग्राम एंड डिस्कॉर्ड मैंने लिख लिया था इसमें गूगल फॉर्म में. No, so the giveaway goes to the second person. No, Gaurav. It goes to the first person only. All right. सेकंड वाला करते हैं अभी हम. नॉट अभी. ताहा एडिट आपका नाम है, मैंने ऐड कर रखा है उसमें आपका नाम एक्चुअली. बट पहले इट्स टाइम फॉर द मेजर अनाउंसमेंट गाइस. लेट्स डू दैट. साहिल का भी है नाम, सबका नाम है वैसे, डोंट वरी. Alright, so guys, that's the important announcement. We are going to launch a project. We are going to launch a project, and the project name is Project Bushido. That you gave before the giveaway. Okay, calm and control. I think you don't have a trust or something like that, but alright. Sure. Anime name Bushido. I don't watch anime. I know different type of Bushido, but yes. So we are going to launch a project named Bushido, and applications will be opened from today. And the thing is, it's not a mentorship, it's not a course, it's not a signal. सिग्नल तो हम कभी सेल भी नहीं करते वैसे. It's kind of a value. All right, so let's start. What is Project Bushido? So from starting, what we do, what actually Indian traders do basically, because I've been trading in the market for last 7 or 8 years. 8 years हो जाएंगे in September मुझे. So I personally started with the price action, SMC, ICT, supply demand, and then I switched to the order flow when I read about the finance, how actually market works, the option market, the hedge funds, the treasury yields, the bond market, the government, and everything. Then I switched to the order flow, and then I came to know, okay, all right, that was the turning point. Because not only order flow was enough, honestly, because order flow is just a data. बस उस डेटा को फोर्ज करने के लिए वी नीड अ मॉडल जो उस डेटा के अराउंड हम वर्क कर सके, एंड उसको भी उसके भी ऊपर, बिकॉज सम पीपल थिंक ओके प्राइस एक्शन इज द बेस्ट, प्राइस एक्शन मूव करता है, इट्स अ नाइस थिंग, बट प्राइस एक्शन को मूव क्या करता है? वॉल्यूम, विच इज वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल, वी यूज दैट. वॉल्यूम को क्या मूव करता है? ऑर्डर्स, वी हैव दैट ऑर्डर फ्लो. बट ऑर्डर फ्लो को क्या मूव करता है? दैट्स द मेन क्वेश्चन. द ऑर्डर फ्लो को मूव करता है हमारे ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन फ्लो मूव्स ऑर्डर फ्लो मूव्स वॉल्यूम, एंड वॉल्यूम मूव्स द प्राइस एक्शन ट्रेड. So I went from the price action trader to the up at the order flow option flow trader, and look at the NASDAQ, very nice aggressive buying move by the way, right? So most of the traders क्या करते हैं, वो एक स्ट्रेटेजी लेते हैं, उसको यूज करते हैं, 1 महीना करते हैं यूज, 20 दिन यूज करते हैं, कुछ फायदा नहीं होता, नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेटेजी पे ड्रॉप कर देते हैं. उसके बाद कोई अच्छा इन्फ्लुएंसर दिखता है उनको, काफ़ी फेमस इन्फ्लुएंसर दिखता है जिसके पास 4 लैम्बो है, दुबई में रह रहा है, उसकी स्ट्रेटेजी यूज़ करने लग जाते हैं. फ्रेमवर्क सबका सेम रहता है, सब लिक्विडिटी स्वीप, फेयर वैल्यू गैप, इन्वर्स फेयर वैल्यू गैप, MSS, आई डोंट नो द नेम्स ऑफ इट, बट फ्रेमवर्क सबका सेम रहता है. डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम से लाखों के कोर्सेज बेचते हैं वो लोग, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर वैल्यू ऑफ कोर्स, बट कोर्स में कुछ वैल्यू होती नहीं है पर्सनली. और मोस्टली लोग जो होते हैं वो उसको करके भी आई डोंट थिंक सो वो प्रॉफिटेबल होते हैं, बिकॉज 95% ऑफ ट्रेडर्स आर दैट्स व्हाई प्रॉफिटेबल बिकॉज ऑफ द डिसिप्लिन, एंड दे डोंट हैव एक्सेस टू द एक्चुअल एजुकेशन, द फाइनेंस एजुकेशन, बिकॉज यू आर competing with actually huge market, the billion dollars of the market, huge fund managers, huge experienced mathematicians, traders, with your 2 boxes and 1 line. So it's going to be very hard. So you have to learn about the finance if you want to survive in the market. If you're serious in trading, then you have to learn finance. All right. Market is at our value area high of initial value balance by the way. Okay. So ये पूरी लूप पे चलता रहता है. न्यू स्ट्रेटेजी ड्रॉप कर दी, दूसरी स्ट्रेटेजी लॉस हो गया, ड्रॉप कर दी, ये सब कुछ चलता रहता है बस. बट प्रोजेक्ट बुशिदो was created to break that cycle. We created this कि जो साइकिल चल रही है, डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटेजी, We have to break it, right? So this isn't another recorded course जो हम कुछ भी कोर्स रिकॉर्ड कर दिया 40 घंटे का, जाओ देखो, प्रैक्टिस करो, दैट्स ऑल. नॉट अ सिंगल सर्विस कि यहाँ पे बाय करो, यहाँ पे सेल करो, या फिर किसी की ट्रेड कॉपी कर रहे हो, जो मोस्टली आई थिंक यूट्यूब पे लोग इसलिए आते हैं कि इफ आई सी समवन, इफ आई सी समवन नाइस ट्रेडर, देन आई कैन कॉपी his or her trade, mainly, which have been observed. All right. So what is Project Bushido? Project Bushido is 4 month. It's a 4 month live trading apprenticeship. 4 month live trading, where we will build the trader from the ground up and work together in the market. So it's a not the course, not the 40 videos, not the 10 videos, not the signal, proper from the ground up for exact continuously for 4 months. The consistency, you will have to develop that consistency, because you will have the members with you, other members with you. So for continuously 4 month live trading apprenticeship, in which we will build you, right? So 4 months, and we will have 4 phases. That's important. We divided this Project Bushido in 4 phases. Sellers are getting absorbed by the way at IVB. We can expect a nice small buying pressure above our IVB, by the way. All right, so 4 months, 4 phases. And 4 phases kya hai wo? The first one is to build the foundation. To build the foundation, we will force the trader like we forge the katana, right? So what includes in the phase 1? So phase 1 will include simple things: market fundamentals, structure, risk management, psychology, discipline, and the foundation of professional trading. That's different. When I say foundation of professional trading, I doesn't mean that liquidity sweep or bubble, or what do you say, another thing. There are many things people say that it's professional, but actually it's not. What is professional? You have to think, you have to read, you have to learn actually about the microeconomics, how actually forex works, how actually futures work, how actually bond market work, how actually option work, how the gold prices and treasury yields work. You have to learn it. So that's the foundation of professional trading. So that's the phase 1, जो 2 weeks तक चलेगा हमारा. The market fundamentals, structure, risk management, psychology, discipline, and the foundations of professional trading. And then the phase 2. In the phase 2, we will build the framework, right? So before the data, we will build a framework. In framework, we will learn the auction market theory, very simple. The volume profile, very simple, but with different asset for the different market condition, for different timings, for different framework or model. So auction market theory, volume profile, VWAP, very simple. Liquidity, by the liquidity I don't mean the equal highs, equal lows, or trend line liquidity or something. The actual resting liquidity, because you know there are 2 types of liquidity. There are 2 things in the market: the market maker and the market taker. The market maker are the resting liquidity जो अब तक market में fill नहीं हुई है, right? And the market taker जो already execute हो चुकी है liquidity. So it's a very broad concept of the liquidity, or the real liquidity, not just higher lows, lower lows kind of liquidity, but yeah. So in the second phase, in the framework, we will learn the AMT, volume profile, VWAP, liquidity, the context, the order flow, and our complete market reading framework. Different frameworks from different market condition, from for different assets, right? Just count everything which I'm saying. The third phase, which is very important, we will build the execution. We will do the execution. We'll sharpen the traders like we sharp the katana, right? Before going into the war ground. Very nice. So we will build the execution in this phase. This phase will be like around more than a month, I think. In this phase, we will do the setups, the confirmations, the entries, the risk management, the trade management and execution. This is important because mostly जो आपके mentorship courses होते हैं वो सिर्फ phase 2 तक रहते हैं. They don't show you actually how you make the setups from the scratch, from the step 1, how you actually read step by step. Different market condition, एक जैसी market नहीं रहती है daily market के market changes every single day. So for every single type of the market, the confirmations, not the break of structure or change of character, they doesn't work in long term. They won't work long term. So the actual confirmations of order flow, right? And the risk management is very important. This is very important, the risk management and trade management. So that too. And then we will go to our fourth phase, the last phase, which is the main motive of this project, the main possible motive of this project, which is to build an independent trader, to build independency, not to depend anyone else other than yourself. That's the main motive. The main thing is like in 4 months, if you need anyone else in your trading journey other than yourself, then I'll be failed and you will be refunded. Very aggressive, but that's it is how it is. Because self-sufficient hona is the actual ultimate way to be successful in trading. You can't depend on anyone else, and I'll make sure you won't even need me after this. So the goal is to become independent. So live execution we will do in the fourth phase. The live execution, the trade reviews every single day, by the way. The journaling लोग करते हैं, 1 दिन करते हैं, 2 दिन करते हैं, बोर हो जाते हैं मार्केट में. But we will do it every single day because we will come live every single day with the members, and everyone will do it. So you will also have to do it in peer pressure, because you will need to compete with them, because the prize money is very, it's hard to say no with that. Sale bro, just a second bro. So live execution, trade reviews, journaling, performance analysis, again the main important thing, psychology and the refinement. Why refinement? Different market structure, different market condition, you need a refinement. Every single setup, every single model in this world will decay. Every single strategy, whoever is building every single strategy, every single small or big strategy will decay one day. The edge of that strategy will decay. So you have to refine that strategy, that model again and again and again. जैसे जैसे मार्केट डेवलप होती है, जैसे जैसे मार्केट में टाइम डिके होता है, राइट? So the goal isn't to make you dependent on me. The goal is to make you capable of trading without me. That's the one. All right. So what includes in the fourth phases? 4 days every week, 1 or 2 hours per session. जो हमारे हर सेशन का टाइम होगा just 1 or 2 hours, 1:2 or 2 hours. 4 days per week, we will be sitting together in the live market, and what you will see in the first 1 month, why I'm waiting, why I'm not entering, why I'm entering, why I'm skipping the trade, how I'm managing the risk, how I read the auction, how I handle a losing trade, because everyone loses. I also lose. It's a part of the game, of course. And how I review the session. That's the important thing. You're not just going to learn what I trade. You are going to learn how I think. That's the important thing. क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो लाइफ पे, okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. But you are going to learn how I think, what I actually thinking before that. And yeah, that's important. That's one of the most important. We are not doing for everyone. This is not for everyone. This is definitely not for everyone. This is only for the first 10 people. So first come first serve, only for the 10 people. The slots are very limited. Only 10 people, because इट्स इंटेंशनल. द स्मॉलर, जितना छोटा ग्रुप होगा उतनी ज़्यादा आई कैन एक्चुअली सी द प्रोग्रेस इन ईच एंड एवरी वन. रिव्यू योर एग्जीक्यूशन, आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस एंड वर्क ऑन योर इंडिविजुअल वीकनेस. सबकी अलग अलग वीकनेस होती है. किसी को रिस्क मैनेज नहीं हो रहा, किसी को कुछ नहीं हो रहा. सो सबकी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वीकनेसेस होती है. तो थ्रू आउट द प्रोग्राम for 4 months, every single day for 1 or 2 hours, we'll do this again and again and again, just for 10 people. And that important thing, what you are getting with this, okay, this is a nice I will become independent trader, but what else? अगर मेरे पास कुछ करने को ही नहीं हुआ तो उसके बाद लाइक मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हुए तो उसके बाद वट विल आई डू. मेरे पास ऑर्डर फ्लो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं हुआ तो उसके बाद, क्योंकि ऑर्डर फ्लो प्लेटफॉर्म, यू विल नीड ऑर्डर फ्लो प्लेटफॉर्म. So yeah, you will get in this 4 months of Project Bushido. That's the main basic base of that project, right? But also those 10 people will get 1 year of order flow platform, ATAS or deep charts for free, for absolutely free. Those 10 people for 1 year subscription, of 1 year subscription, they will get absolutely fucking free. And not just the platform, but also the rhythmic data feed as well. So you don't have to purchase the feed alag se. You will get the feed, the order flow platform for free for 1 year. Plus that's not enough, right? That's definitely not enough. एक साल के order flow platform से क्या होगा, right? So they will get 3 months again after that. 3 months of deep charts again for free. 3 months of deep charts, 1 year of order flow platform, first one. And then 4 months, that's Project Bushido. The learning is different, but again, the money you will invest, it will come back to you in this first 4 months. Project Bushido, the course, the live sessions, the 4 months, the grind, the hustle, it's different. But I think 1 year order flow platform, ATAS or deep charts, whatever you want, I think all the 10 members will get exclusive first time FXC merchandise. We are launching our merchandise, you will get it for free, all the 10 members. And so you don't just leave with knowledge, you leave with the tools and framework to continue developing on your own. So जब आप पूरा फिनिश करो, जब आप पूरा 4 महीने फिनिश करो इस पूरे अप्रेंटिसशिप को, तो आपके पास फ्रेमवर्क भी हो, आपके पास ऑर्डर फ्लो प्लेटफॉर्म भी हो ट्रेड करने के लिए, और फीड डेटा भी हो. So you don't have to spend anything else after this. One another thing, not just 4 faces. उसके बाद हमारे पास और भी है कुछ लोगों के लिए, 10 लोगों के लिए. Because we will launch 4 महीने बाद उन 10 लोगों का एक टेस्ट होगा. We called it a final graduation. So after completing all 4 phases, every Bushido member will go through a final performance evaluation, in which हम all the 10 members, all the 10 लोग जो भी होंगे, उनको हम एक 25K का फ्यूचर्स, रियल फ्यूचर्स फंडेड अकाउंट देंगे. Depends on your trading file, Lucid, MFF, whatever you want. All the 10 members will get 25K futures account, and they will have to compete with each other. They will have to win. Whoever will win that graduation, you just don't have to pass that account. You have to risk. I will look for the risk, how you manage your risk, how you took trades, what the reason behind it, every single thing. And 2 people from the 10 members, जो 2 लोग सबसे पहले चैलेंज को पास करेंगे, they will get, listen to me very carefully, they will get 100K futures account of their liking. It's not कि कोई एफिलिएशन है मेरा. जो भी प्रोफॉर्म का आपको चाहिए, कोई सा भी, लूसिड प्रो, लूसिड फ्लेक्स, ट्रेडिफाई सेलेक्ट, ट्रेडिफाई ग्रोथ, whatever you want. 100K futures account for free. And again, one more thing, आप पे एक 1 साल का टास्क मिलेगा, खत्म हो जाएगा वो, तो 4 महीने तो ऐसे निकल जाएंगे, तो 6 महीने बचेंगे। तो those two people will get, oh not the two people, the first winner will get again the 3 months of deep chart subscription again for free. It's just like, all right, okay, what else, और क्या हो सकता है, और क्या हो सकता है? But yes, there is more, because those two people will get a personal live trading channel inside FXC. They will become our first two analyst, trading analyst. They will get their own fucking channel inside that FXC to live stream, to perform. But this is for the first graduate, right? What about the second one? So for the second one is also win the 50k Lucid Flex account, or Lucid Flex, Lucid Pro, whatever you want. So the first two, the first one and the second one will get all these perks. And what about the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and ninth, 10th? They all are getting the fucking knowledge, the 1 year of ATAS, the order flow platform with level 2 data. This is very important. Level 2 data costs around $80 or $90 per month. And we are giving it for free for fucking 1 year. For 1 year straight. For all those 10 members. With level 2 data feed. The whole platform. Right. So you enter Project Bushido as a student. You are entering right here. You are entering in Project Bushido as a student only. You can graduate as a trader with your own seat on the FXC trading floor. And the ranking, it won't simply be based on who made that most money. We will evaluate, of course, the discipline, risk management, execution, consistency, generaling, decision making. Because, one lucky trade doesn't make a trader. It depends on the consistency as well. All right, the important thing, what's the pricing, Khushal? What's the pricing, Khush? What's the pricing, Khushal? How? What's the pricing? All right, इतनी सारी चीजें, 3 लाख 4 लाख कितने का है ये? What's the pricing of it? क्योंकि आई थिंक लाइक अगर आप मुझे 1 साल का एटास दे रहे हो, वो तो वही मुझे 70,000 का पड़ जाता है। फिर आप मुझे उसके बाद में 3 महीने का डीप चार्ट्स भी दोगे, वही मुझे $300 का पड़ जाएगा। फिर मुझे उसके बाद आप 50k और 25k और 100k के फ्यूचर्स अकाउंट भी दे रहे हो, वो भी हमारे $200 के $300 के पड़ जाएंगे। तो इट विल बी लाइक अराउंड 1.5 लाख 2 लाख का तो एक्चुअली होगा। उसमें आप अपनी फीस भी कट करोगे तो एटलीस्ट 2-2.5 लाख का होगा, राइट? नो, that's very interesting thing. That's no. All right, so what do you, I wanna ask, like कितना लगता है, like honestly, just give me the price, like how much it should be. Give me, write in the comment, give me an estimate how much it should be with all the perks for straight 4 months plus 1 year plus trading floor access. Write in the comment section how much it should be, how much you think it should be. Give me an estimate number. कितना कॉस्ट होना चाहिए इसका? 1.5 lakh, yeah sir, I don't know. What do you guys think? Yasir said 1.5 lakh, I don't know. That's a very interesting answer. But yeah guys, come on, tell me how much it could be. A kidney? No, not a kidney. Around 1.7 lakh. Oh, you're going above a lakh, bro. 5,000. Come on, bhai. No, $5,000. That would be very interesting. No. All right, so we have a few answers: 1.5 lakh, 1.7 lakh, a kidney, $5,000. But it is less than a lakh. It is less than a lakh. It is less than a 90,000. It is less than 90,000. $299. Damn, bro. $299. $299 में भाई यार, I think like 3 months का deep charts आता है सिर्फ. But Interesting, yeah. You maybe, but $300 is, $500. $500, I think, can work with it, but the value is too much for the $500 for straight 4 months. Every single day, every single fucking day, for 4 days a week, four phases from the scratch to the advanced. Every finance, every financial knowledge, micro, macro, everything. 499. No, 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 no. सो वी हैड पहले हमारे पास काफ़ी एग्रेसिव आंसर्स थे लैक्स में, अब वी हैव स्मॉल काफ़ी चीप आंसर्स हैं काफ़ी लेस में, और ये थोड़ा मिडिल ग्राउंड में चलते हैं. लाइक इट्स मोर देन $500. लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स मोर देन $500, but it's less than the $800. It's less than the 80,000. It's even less than the 80,000. Yes. Well. Alright, let's break the ice. क्योंकि इसके बाद हमें 2 व्हील और घुमानी है, right? और okay, let's break the ice. So all the project Bushido, no monthly subscription, no hidden upgrades, no upsells halfway through anything. 4 months, 4 faces, 4 days a week, 10 traders. You will spend every day with me live on Google Meet. Every session will be recorded every day for straight 4 months, 4 faces, from the basic, to the advanced, with all the perks, ATAS, rhythmic feed, futures account, deep charts, trading floor access, everything. 799. All right. Let me break the ice. Okay. So all this पूरा मिला के it will only cost you 74,999. 74,999, yes. 74,999, 4 months, 1 year at us, all the perks, futures account, deep charts, rhythmic feed, futures feed for free level 2 data, just for 75,999, 74,999. So I would say you have spent enough time searching for the answer. You have spent enough time searching for the answer, and now it's time to build the trader who can find it. Because there is something Fabio, I've learned from the Fabio. If you guys know the Fabio Valentini, he said to me one line. He said something to me one time. He said that the market doesn't need more traders. The market doesn't need more traders. It needs the better ones. This is a very interesting line, right? So कब से start हो रहा है, कब क्या हो रहा है? All right, it will be starting from the 1st September 2026 for the straight 4 months. So from the next year, जो 10 लोग होंगे, they will be starting their own, the fresh fucking new year with an independent era of trading. So 1st September say we are starting the project. The enrollment starts now and it will end, the deadline of it 25th of August. So around 8 or 9 days you have. First comes up, first serve. 10 लोगों में पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा. 10 लोग होते ही and everything will start. 25th अगस्त तक का टाइम है, 25 अगस्त तक. 1st September से starting है. Only 10 seats. So whoever want, you can Discord पे we develop the project Bushido ticket. If you have any query, if you want any details, anything, just open your ticket and ask everything, every single thing. That's your right, bro. That's your right. So ask anything. You have 9 or 10 days. First come, first serve for the 10 people. 74,999 for everything. And 25th August को जो भी 10 members होंगे उनको हम पहले ही एटास दे देंगे for 1 year with level 2 data feed. क्योंकि उन्हें 5 दिन लगेंगे, राइट, उन्हें सीखने में, थोड़ा सेटल करने में अपने आप को. And then from the 1st September we will start. And let me tell you, this is the fucking lifetime opportunity, because after that what we are doing, the deep chart is going to launch the Deep Chart Hindi channel because they have Portugal and Spanish. And I'm proud to announce you. It's a very secretive because we have a less member right now, so that's why I can tell you. We will be there. We will be there in Deep Charts Hindi Instagram handle to build the community in India of Deep Charts. So yeah, this is one. So ticket is on. First come first serve. It's time for the giveaway. Let's fucking go. We have two giveaways left. Let me switch the screen. Are you guys ready? Can we decide between each asset or at us? Actually, QOL tab, bro. From the 25th, the 1 year, you will get the ATAS only. But after the apprenticeship, you will get the deep charts. So, दोनों platform, you will get both of the platforms. So after that, आप decide कर सको कि okay, which platform is for you. And if you want ATAS, then what we have another plan for you as well. क्योंकि एक चीज़ मैं बताना भूल गया कि जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड जो दो लोग आएंगे उनको 1 ईयर का एटास नहीं मिलेगा, उनको एक्चुअली लाइफ टाइम का एटास मिलेगा. यस. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, 2 ईयर की डेटा फीड भी. सो इट गोना कॉस्ट अ लॉट टू मी. लाइक आई थिंक मेरी पॉकेट से इतना चला जाए. सो आई हैव टू लुक एट फॉर इट, लुक एट अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो. बट जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड होगा ग्रेजुएट में उसको लाइफ टाइम का एटास मिलेगा बाय द वे विद द 2 years ऑफ रिदमिक डेटा फीड, लेवल 2 डेटा फीड. So let's switch to the scene 2 where we spin the wheel. Wheel spin करते हैं. What do you want? What do you want? Wheel spin करें या फिर duck race करें? What do you all want? How much is the total cost, brother? Okay, I'll be honest with you because the premium members know. जो भी premium member है, जो भी trading floor में है, ये उनको पता है. I'll be very honest. Always, that's the first motive why I started this. I'll be earning least 13 members, last 13 members. No, last. Okay, it's okay. It's fine. It just makes your winning chance. Okay, डक करते हैं. The total cost of the project I already announcement भी आ जाएगी Discord पे. You can see Discord पे announcement. It's for 74,999, 4 months and lifetime of everything. पूरी एक proper announcement अभी we will do after this live. Let's do the 1 minute. All right, let's do the 1 minute. All right. Are you guys ready? Are we guys ready? Our ducks are ready. Are you ready? Our ducks are ready. Yes. Let's go. Start. We have two giveaway left by the way for the next round. Let's see 50 seconds. Who is winning? Who is winning? 40 seconds left. 30 seconds left. There, kitchen, Banky, M. That's aggressive. कौन आ रहा है? Who's going to win? Come on, let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking grow. Let's fucking go. Kamal and Meher. Do we have Kamal right here? Do we have Kamal right here? Do we have Kamal? No, don't have Kamal. Damn bro. Let me text him. Let me text. पूरा फेयर रहेंगे अगर अगर वो आता है फर्स्ट 5 मिनट में. नदन भाई, I'm very sorry यार, इतने सारी एंट्री थे, like it's hard but yeah. I just texted Kamal, let's see अगर नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट में आता है वो, वरना मैं इतना वो नहीं करूँगा. आई थिंक विल डू वन मोर लाइक वो स्पिन. व्हाट डू यू गाइस लाइक इसके इसके बाद डक, अनदर डक और अनदर व्हील स्पिन. ऑलराइट डक. फर्स्ट इज कमल नयन मेहर. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I texted him. And let me mention him in trade talk. Yes, let me also get the screenshot of the proof क्योंकि काफी लोग फिर बोलते हैं कि क्लिक करा होगा कि वो बट. All right, I've tagged him in the trade talks. Let's do the another one. Let's do another one. आ जाएगा वो. Let's do another one. All right. So remove the winner from the next race and race again. Let's go. Are we ready? Let's go. Let's see who will win this time. All right, Mohammad Huzaifa bhai is running. Rohan Sharma is running. Himmat Singh is running. Where are you, Nandan bro? Hey Tej bro. Hey, hello. You want to win? Okay. Take Adit best. Adit bro. You're so right there. Ujjwal. All right, Ujjwal. Ujjwal will be the winner. Damn bro. Let's fucking go, bhai. Let's fucking go. We got our second winner, Ujjwal Kumar. Do we have Ujjwal Kumar right here? Do we have Ujjwal Kumar right here, right in live? How to play bro? तेज bro हमने Discord पे करा था, Google फॉर्म डाला था, so kind of late. Yasir Brazil bro, you are not Ujjwal, I know. Let me tag him in the chat as well. I think that's all guys. That's like yes bro, don't worry because in the next 2 weeks we are doing a prop firm giveaway, a 25K prop firm giveaway, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट 15 दिन बाद डीप चार्ट्स का गिव अवे है, उसके 15 दिन बाद दोबारा गेक्स रडार का गिव अवे है, उसके बाद दोबारा प्रॉप फर्म का गिव अवे है 15 दिन बाद, 10-15 दिन के बाद दोबारा डीप चार्ट्स का गिव अवे है, तो ये हर 15 दिन में आएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट गाइस, इट्स जस्ट स्टार्टिंग ब्रो. Yasir, yes, that's very nice. After that $1 million. डिस्कॉर्ड पे ज्वाइन करो. डिस्कॉर्ड में ट्रेड टॉक्स पे मैंने दोनों को टैग करा है, कमल और उज्जवल को, और मनीष को तो मैंने एसटीएम कर दिया था. दोनों में से आई थिंक दोनों वैसे एक्टिव रहते हैं, बट इन द नेक्स्ट 1 आवर अगर दोनों में से कोई नहीं देता, वैसे इट विल बी वेरी अनफेयर. या जस्ट भाई, आई थिंक उज्जवल इज हेयर. लेट्स गो गाइस. उज्जवल इज हेयर. Ujjwal Kumar is here. Ujjwal bro, yes, you can see your duck at the final. You are the first winner. Kamal is here. Kamal is here too, bro. Kamal, let's go. Kamal, you are the winner as well. We have 2 winners in the chat, in the live chat. Kamal is the winner. Kamal and Meher, you are the winner of the second one, and Ujjwal, you are the winner of the last win. So you both will be getting GEX radar for free. Congratulations to you. And जिसने भी नहीं जीता guys, next time प्रोफॉर्म का क्यों हो गया, so it's better right. उसके next time डीप चार्ट्स का, it will just level up bro. It will just level up, क्योंकि next time जब प्रोफॉर्म का होगा ना, इसके बाद वो 50K का होगा, मे बी 50K से फिर हम 100K पे जाएंगे, you know, right. So that's for the giveaway for today. But also don't forget, हम डेली लाइव स्ट्रीम करते हैं on our Discord channel. On YouTube भी करेंगे. डेली गेक्स लेवल्स आप फ्री में ले सकते हो on our Discord channel. एंड प्रोजेक्ट बुशिदो की एंट्री स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व, 10 लोगों के बाद फिनिश. 25th तक एंट्री है. यू विल बी गेटिंग, इट विल बी वेरी fucking worth it. Alright, that's all for today guys. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to Trust. Thank you very much for Trust. Thank you very much for being here. Ujjwal and Kamal bhai, please DM me. Please DM me on Discord, or if you have my Instagram, please DM me. I will give you your GEX radar subscription, your license key right away after talking to the GEX radar team. DM me. I'll see you tomorrow. कल काफ़ी अच्छा दिन होने वाला है. नेगेटिव गैमा एक्सपोजर पे काफ़ी ट्रेंडिंग में कैन लुक इन द मार्केट. गुड नाइट गाइस. Peace out. Have a nice day. Don't forget about the project. Let's fucking get it.